warning for southwestern Caldwell County, northeastern Guadalupe County, until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kingsbury, or near Seguin, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Marcos, Seguin, Lockhart, Martindale, Kingsbury, Staples, Fentress, Zorn, Geronimo, San Marcos Regional Airport, Maxwell, Reedville, and Redwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.